If you live in an apartment or house and safety matters to you, you're gonna love this. This is the Awapo 3.5-inch doorbell peephole viewer, and it's one of those smart little upgrades that'll make you wonder how you live without it. Now listen, this isn't your grandma's peephole. We're talking about a 2 million HD pixel digital door camera. That means crystal clear image quality. You'll see exactly who's outside. No blur, no shadows, no guessing. It's got a 3.5-inch LCD screen inside. So instead of squinting through a little hole, you just press a button and boom, the image pops up big and bright. Even kids and older folks can use it easily. The 120 wide-angle lens, game changer. You're not just seeing who's directly in front of the door, you're seeing what's around them too. No surprises, no hiding dot, and the best part? No Wi-Fi required, no apps, no complicated setup. It's all offline and secure. Your privacy stays yours. Find the link in the comments to get yours.